Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have our 2008 Toyota Camry, and we're going to reinstall the window regulator. Either install a new one or a good used one if that's what you were replacing. So just kind of, you're going to take it and smash it together like that, and then you'll be able to slide it back up through this hole here. Now we have one bolt that you start and leave on, and then that bolt will hang right here and hold the window regulator in place while you're able to line up the other . Alright, we've got them all started and basically hand tight. We're going to just give them a little bit more of a tight with a ratchet there instead of what you can do with just a nut driver. Not crazy, just enough to make sure, we don't want it to back out all the time. Okay. So that's how you install that portion, tighten that, make sure you connect the electric connector back up over here. And so that's how you replace your window regulator in your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.